New Year's Eve, just about to cross the start line for the solo around the world record attempt. And I'm just about to unfurl the code sail and head up towards the start, and then we'll kill the engine once we're sailing. So here goes, wish me luck. Get my voice back. It's day 3 of the Around the World Challenge, and as you can see, beautiful sunny sky. Well, it's day 5, and as you can see, there's not much wind. So just have a bit of breakfast. Day 11, thought I'd give you a little tour around the boat, just so you can see what life is like on board from day to day. So we're in the tropics, it's quite warm. So there's my bed here, so this goes on the floor when I'm sleeping. We're trucking along pretty steadily. Conditions have been like this for about a week or so now. So port tack has been the same for over a week now. So we're going to go on a little adventure so you can see where I've been working for the last couple of weeks. So here we are, this is our normal cabin, but we're going back down there. But what I was noticing is this housing here, as this was pushing back and forwards, this was flexing up and down quite a lot. Zero 0000001 south. There you go, and it's 0315. Hey! I'm in the southern hemisphere. There you go, not a lot going on. Just waiting for some breeze. Should come in about 24 hours time, hopefully. Past South Africa, the Cape, so that's the first of the 3 capes done almost 9,000 miles, so we're a third of the way, or just over a third of the way in time, and we're just about a third of the way in distance. So quite rough, and there's a bird flying around it there, not quite sure what it is, with petrol or whatever. Had a problem yesterday with the mainsail, the slides of the mast. The sail wouldn't come down and winch it down physically to get the sail to come down, but they were just some of the balls were missing, some of the ball bearings were missing, so I replaced those. There was a lot of lube, there's a lot of dust in there as well. Here we are, day 75, lovely sunny morning, and unfortunately it's having to end this way.
Scotsman Alex Alley was on course to becoming the fastest solo sailor to travel round the world. He was past the halfway mark of the 50,000 kilometre long trip and was setting a record-breaking time when suddenly faulty rigging jammed the mainsail, crushing his dreams.
I do feel like it's been taken away from me. I firmly believed I was going to get the record.
He was forced to call it quits in South Australian waters and cruised into Outer Harbour this morning after 75 days at sea.
I'm back here in the UK about 60 days earlier than I was planning to be back because of things going wrong for me in the Southern Ocean. So I had to rebuild an autopilot, I had to rewire my radar, I had my water maker had problems, I had to replumb all of that. But really the straw that broke the camel's back was 14,500 miles in, 75 days. I was about 1,000 miles pretty much due south of the middle of Australia when I had a problem with the mast and the rigging, and I couldn't get my mainsail down, which in a big storm is a bit of an issue. And having the problems on the track on the mast obviously meant that I could no longer continue. I certainly couldn't break the record. It meant I would have had big problems with icebergs around Cape Horn. So unfortunately there was no option for me but to retire from the actual record and sail in towards Adelaide in Australia. I've got some more projects in the pipeline. I'm back in the UK now. I'm already planning to go to sea. I'm off racing across the Atlantic again in November on a much bigger, much more comfortable boat. And then I'll be racing in the Caribbean again next season. So life's not finished for me yet. Woo!